crap. Not again. How many times do I have to tell them, don't deliver dead animals to my doorstep, and not their body secretions either?
Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher, she will show you how.
I've told them so many times. I've written to them. I've phoned them. I've told them, don't put these on my doorstep. I have a massive no junk mail sign, but every once in a while, it gets slipped in anyway. Look at this. Imagine being an animal rights activist and seeing the bludgeoning of animals day after day, and then have them delivered right on your doorstep.
Run, run, run from humans. They're trying to stab you. They're trying to murder you, to call you bacon and burn you in a frying pan.
Poor fish. Struggling. Fearful. Betrayed by humans. Ripped out of the water. It's like putting you underwater and forcing you not to be able to breathe. And for what? Just taste pleasure? You don't need to eat fish. Besides, there's microplastics in here anyway. Here. What the hell is this? Imagine cutting an animal up and then putting him or her in a bowl. How messed up is that?
Why are there dead bodies here? Is this a cemetery? Why are there so many corpses here? Where is everyone's empathy? Why is there so much death in the store? Why do you think you need to buy it? Why is there so much death? Is this a morgue? Is it time to be vegan? Is it time to try it? Why are there dead bodies here? Is this a cemetery? Why are there so many corpses here? Where is everyone's empathy? Being vegan is healthy for all ages, and yes, even our dogs can be vegan too. Please can we walk away from this place of death? Please can we try something new? Why are there so many corpses here? Where is everyone's empathy? Why is there so much death in the store? Why do you think you need to buy it? Why is there so much death? Is this a morgue? Is it time to be vegan? Is it time to try it? Yes, it's time to try it.
What the heck's this? A pig. Pigs are murdered at 6 months old. They're just babies. Put on trucks, 200 at a time. Terrified. The only time they get to see the sky is when they are on those trucks. And just like dogs, they're hoping they're going to go to a better place than they've lived their entire lives. I can't believe we do this to these animals. Right here in Quebec, I've seen it myself. And all over the world, it's the same. So much suffering. And then they get put in a gas chamber. Just like what the Nazis did to the Jews. What the heck is this? More dead animals. And now, putting it on a barbecue. Look at that. This was a cow. A cow. A cow is no different than a dog. They're so innocent. They've never done anything wrong. They've never hurt you ever. Why would you eat them when you don't have to? When the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics clearly says that you can be healthy without eating these. Why? Not to mention the fact that they are cancer-causing. Meat is considered to be something that is linked with cancer. Why would you put poison in your body like this? Oh my God. Look at that. We're looking at a corpse. That was somebody. This isn't just a bottle or a hammer or a plate. This was a sentient being. Sure, they might not think the exact same as we do, but they feel. That's the important thing. They feel like us. They feel pain and fear, and they feel joy. Have you never seen the videos? Have you never seen how joyful they can be? If not, research it. Imagine this right on my doorstep. And these, look at that. Yogurt made from stolen cow's milk. Imagine going up to a cow, forcing her to be pregnant, and then stealing her milk and turning it into this. And what they also do is take the babies away from the mother. You're not a cow, and you're not a baby. Cow's milk is for baby cows, not for adult humans. This is gross. It's terrible. I don't get it. The hell's this? Fromage râpé. Again, this comes from the cycle of violence that is the dairy industry. Watch Dairy is Scary to Understand. Right after this, go Google it. It's only 5 minutes long. Dairy is scary. But look, here's something you can buy. Beans. Beans are great. Beans are full of fiber. Did you know that 95% of humans do not eat enough fiber? Yeah. It's so easy to get more fiber. Just eat more veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds. Oh, like this. Broccoli. This is amazing. How many green vegetables have you eaten yet today? 2 for $3. That's pretty good. By the way, don't forget you can also eat the stems. You just peel off the outside and the inside is really good. It's tender. You can dip that in some hummus. Melons, onions, lemons, avocados. Look at that. This is stuff you can eat. Go for that.
Go veg yourself, go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go veg yourself. Go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan.
Oh God, I'm afraid to turn the page. What? More dead animals. Look at that. Shrimp minding their own business in the ocean and just ripped out to end up on a plate. It's so messed up when you think about it. You're literally eating someone's body. How is this okay to put dead animals inside of you? Calamari. Why? Why would we do this just for taste pleasure? The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has clearly stated that you can be healthy at all stages of development. Oh my God. Look at their eyes. They just wanted to live. They never hurt you. Why don't we just leave them in the water and eat other things? I don't get it. My goodness. More dead animals. Tuna. Tuna, why? Why do we put giant nets into the oceans and take out these innocent fish? We don't have to. Oh my goodness. Would you take a bite right out of this innocent being's head? Just bite right into their head? How horrible. What's this? Now, this is it. Look, this is the Garden of Eden. Why would you want your body to be a morgue when your body can be a garden?
Go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go fruit yourself. yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan.
Look at that. Blueberries. Blackberries. Fantastic. Full of antioxidants. Mangoes. Nature's sweetness. Wow. Aubergine. Perfect. Look at this. Tomatoes. Yes, these are the things. Look at this. It's like eating a rainbow. Oranges. Nectarines. Look at all of this. This is what you want to eat. This is what you want to focus on.
Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door.
What the heck? More cheese. Why would you buy cheese? Why would you do that when you can get the vegan version without hurting anyone? Ketchup's vegan. More dead animals. Look at that. Whenever you look at these flyers, I want you to think about what is food and what is violence. This is violence. And this is food. Chickpeas. Chickpea dip. Oh, tahini. Yummy. Don't buy this crap. You should never have this in your house. Never. Drink water or soy milk. Let's see if we can find some soy milk. Eggs. No. Eggs come from such a cycle of violence. Do you know that they grind up the baby boy chicks in this industry? They murder the boys because they'll never be able to lay eggs. They put them in a macerator. They cut them up into 1,000,000 pieces just so the girls can survive, so they can enslave them.
The egg industry is just a cycle of misery. They lie to you endlessly. Don't buy eggs, walk away. Go to egg-truth.com today.
The heck? More animal body parts. Do you not see it? Do you see it? Look. Death on a plate. Horrible. This is not food. Oh my God. The hell's the matter with the world? It's so messed up. You don't need this. You don't need this. You don't have to eat a chicken. You don't have to eat animals. You don't have to cut up these innocent cows. Eat other things. Don't eat violence. Leave animals the fuck alone.
Plants have protein, they really, really do. Being vegan is healthy, you know it's true. Plants have protein, they really, really do. So why the fuck aren't you vegan yet? No more excuses for you. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food.
Nuts. Yes. Nuts. Eat nuts. Almonds. Cashews. Look, mixed nuts. That's great. Olives. Eat olives. Eat whole foods the way nature intended. That's what you're supposed to eat, not packaged foods or dead animals. Go vegan, everyone. Go vegan. Go vegan. Go vegan. Eating animals is messed up. It's weird. It's bizarre. It's finished. The time is finished. Time for you to be vegan from now on. To those of you who have a heart that is actually beating, happy Vegan Declaration Day to you.
Empathy, empathy. Animals are not ours to eat. We're experiment on or use for entertainment. Animals are here with us, not for us. Be vegan with me. Empathy, Teacher on YouTube right now. Let's